How to use ComPDF Intelligent Document Extraction? Begin by navigating to the ComPDF Demo Center page. On the left side of the page, locate the Intelligent Document Extraction section and click Try Demo to enter the online demo page. We provide a variety of sample documents on the right panel to help you quickly understand the tool's capabilities. For more accurate extraction results, click the Settings button before uploading your document and select the language that matches your document content. Click the Upload Your File button to upload your document. The tool supports both image files and PDF documents. We offer 2 extraction methods for your convenience. Option 1. AI Extract. Select AI Extract and click the Extract Now button. The tool will automatically identify and extract all relevant information from your document. The extracted results will be categorized into text content and table content, making it easier for you to locate and utilize the information you need. Additionally, the tool allows you to manually refine the extracted results online, ensuring higher accuracy. You can also copy any individual field directly or download specific form data. Everything is tailored to your needs. You can also view the JSON result, which supports direct copy-paste or download for further data analysis. Option 2. Custom Extract. If you choose Custom Extract, you can manually define the text fields and table fields you wish to extract. The text fields like invoice number, company name, email, company address, and more, or NUM, products, price, and so on in the table. Once configured, click the Extract Now button to extract the selected content. The extracted data can be copied and pasted directly or downloaded by clicking the Download button and selecting your preferred file format. If you need the JSON format, simply click JSON Result. The generated JSON result will include the fields you have customized. Click the Download button to obtain the document for further analysis. And it can be seamlessly integrated with CRM and ERP systems. If you have any feedback or feature requests, simply click the Feedback button on the page to share your thoughts with us. We greatly value your input. It helps us continuously improve the product experience. That's all. See you next time.